All right, class. Welcome back. So we're gonna try number 4. Example number 4 is sort of just give us a little bit of review of what kind of information we learn when we looking for concavity. All right. So let's see. So to determine the intervals where a function is concave up and concave down, the first step is to find all the values of x such that, and remember that concavity happens um, um, by looking at the second derivative. In particular, we use find the values of x that makes the second derivative be 0, or when the second derivative is also undefined, right? There you go. The second part is to the second step is to use the values to form. The second step is to use these values to form intervals, and on each interval, we're looking for to test. Right. Once we use these numbers that we found in X, we're gonna use those numbers to subdivide the number line, and then test the numbers around these points, these values. So test the sign value of the second derivative in the interval to see if it is positive or negative, right? That's all we care. Because by doing this, when f double prime is positive, it tells us that f of x is concave up on that interval. And when f double prime is negative, it tells us f of x is concave down on that interval. Right? And so that's why we have the interest of looking for the sign value